Hello my dear friends, welcome to Recyclebintech channel. Today we are going to see an HP ink tank wireless 415. In this we are going to see how to ink charge or flush ink from ink tank to the head. In this we are going to see manually. We are not using any programs or anything. And before that I have got print, and you can see only the pink and black is coming and blue and yellow is not coming properly. So I am going to charge ink from my ink tank to the head. So let us see how we are going to flush the ink or charge the ink. So at present you can see here that shows a 0 and the power button. Just from here just hold the power button, press 2 time on this one, so you can hear some suddenly the head is taking some running something inside, so it is cleaning by himself. So you have to wait till the power light flashing stops stable, it gets stable, so we have to wait till that. And after completing this one, the you can check open this door from here. After opening the door, bring the head on the center, and you can check the pipes whether the ink is filled with the pipes, because if it show is empty means you have to do one more time. And after completing this, now you can see that the power light it's got stable. And let us open this cover from both the end, and after that we can open this cover. After opening the cover, by opening that cover we have to check inside whether ink has coming through the pipe. Just pull this cartridge to the side, and after that just little more this side, because you can see whether the ink has reached through the pipe. So black has not come, and the colors also not come properly. This is we have to, at least we have to try one more time, because the ink from the tank through to the head, it has been coming through this pipe, but you can see the black, it's stuck something little inside, and the color also it's not come properly. You can see that yellow, it's only reached half of that. You can try one more time, same procedure. And we have another method that's we'll see now. If that method is not working, you can use this one. This one is very useful. While you purchase, you will get in the cartoon itself. If you didn't get, you can ask to them from where you purchase. And this is the very useful thing, means you can just remove both the cartridge, insert this one, and from here you can just from here just you can press it like from here. You can see the pump is going inside. Just you insert it directly, and after inserting just close the from the top door, and after that just pull it like a back side. While you pull it back side from the ink tank, all the ink it will be pulling through the pipes. So you can put the cartridge, and you can use directly for printing. After doing this method, just do the method which I do first time, like just press the power button and that X button, so it will be better for clear printing. And this is the best method. If you like the video, please subscribe and support. We'll see you on the next video. Bye bye, see you.